So this is the new Echo Show 5 3rd generation, and this is, in my eyes, the perfect Amazon Alexa device for most homes and office scenarios. So I've got the Echo Show 5 set up on my desk set up behind me. I'll put some B-roll over so you can see it, and I think it's probably one of my favourite Echo devices I've owned. I've owned a lot of them, the Echo Dot, the original Echo Show when it came out, big brick device, and the Echo Plus, which is the one I've been using here over the last couple of years. But this one's very small, very compact, and it just looks sick on my desk setup as well. It's got a 5.5 inch screen on it, so it's good for sort of watching YouTube videos or Amazon Primes on the side where you're working away. I can have it, the Grand Tour, just playing in the background if I want to. You can listen to music. Now the audio from this thing is extremely impressive actually. It's only got a 1.7 inch speaker in there, but it does sound very good. You can adjust all the sound settings in the app as well, so you can add some more bass to it if you want to, but it sounds very good. Although it does look small from the front, it's got a bit of depth to it, so the speakers are pretty big and they do sound extremely impressive. It comes in 3 colours. I've gone for the charcoal version, but it comes in like a cloud blue and a white version as well, sort of depending on your styles. But I've gone for the black. It looks really good. You've also got a built-in camera. There's a 2 megapixel camera on the front, which has a privacy switch, so you can turn it on and off if you want to, because you can access that camera through the Alexa app, and other people in your house can actually go onto there and check in, sort of stream the camera if you like, and have a look to see what you're doing. So it acts as like a security camera as well. You can drop in as long as it's on the Wi-Fi network at any point wherever you are on the app to see what's going on in the studio. So it's kind of a dual product in my eyes. It's kind of a security camera in here as well, and it's also the smart controller and the speaker as well. So it's one of my favourite things. I do like having that camera on the front just to add that extra little bit of security in here when I'm not in here. Even when I'm just in the house, I'm out of this sort of area, I can check in to see everything's okay. Like I said, it's a nice looking device. The panel on there looks really good. So I've watched a bit of Amazon Prime on there before, and it looks good. The quality of the picture is very impressive. You can use it in the kitchen if you want to. It's small enough to fit in a smaller kitchen as well for bringing up recipes. You can follow step-by-step guides on there. But all I'm doing is using it as like a smart control device in here. I can say, Alexa, turn off the key light. It turns off the key light for me. So when I'm not recording, I turn all the lights off just to save energy and power, and then if I want to use it again, I'll say, Alexa, turn on the key light. Turns it back on. So that is the reason I love having an Alexa in like a space like this. For controlling smart devices, I've got plugs, I've got lights, they're all controlled via the Alexa and by the smart devices. So it's small, it's good quality, the sound's good, the picture looks good, you can drop in on your other parts of the house, you can send a signal to every Alexa in the house saying that the dinner's ready, you can do all those things that you can with other Alexas, but just having that little small screen for me is great. Also, the good thing about it is that you can change the way the screen looks. You can add the clock, you can add photos to cycle through, you can have different features on the screen to make it and customize it to your sort of look, that how you want it to look in your home or office space. So it's really customizable as well, which I do like about it. So yeah, for the price, keep an eye out on Prime because they do have deals every now and again. I picked this on Prime Day for about £50 and it's usually $89.99, so it's a good purchase. Also, if you do want to grab one, there will be a link in the description down below. If you want to sign up to Amazon Prime, then there will be a link for that as well. It's a great service, and if you order a lot of stuff off Amazon like I do, it's well worth it. It pays for itself within a few weeks. So yeah, the link's in the description. Yeah, this is the one I'd go for. This is my favourite Echo so far out of all the Echoes that have been released over the years. It's probably the most complete device in my opinion. Okay, that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, bye.